welcome. I'm Priyadhi and you're watching Even News TV. First Techno Research Startup Conference organized by Universal Innovators, SIIF and Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies. On day 2, ICICC 2020 was inaugurated by the launching Springer AISC series, elsewhere SSRN series process.
So I'm Pankaj Jalote. I'm a professor at IIIT Delhi, where I was the founding director for 10 years from 2008.
Today you are participating in this international computing seminar. Tell me more about it.
So I'm very happy to be here in this conference seminar on advances in computers and communication. One of the good things that I see about this conference is that they've tried to match emerging technologies, research, along with the entrepreneurship and the evolving ecosystem of startups, which is very important because many of the startups are now working with new development. So it's a good kind of initiative which often does not happen. So I'm very happy that this is happening, and congratulations to the organizers for bringing this together.
And your message to the students.
So things are changing very fast, and you have to be on your toes, and you have to keep learning and relearning. That's the only way to stay ahead in today's world.
So, my name is Zdzisław Pulkowski. I'm from Poland. I'm from Wrocław University of Economics and Business.
Today you are participating in the international conference. How do you feel about it? And what's your message?
So, first of all, I would like to tell you that I'm so happy to be here. This is my ninth visit of India, and I'm very glad to be among very good, strong Indian professors. Also, during my visits in India and during this conference, I'm going to talk to professors about international collaboration between India, Poland, and Europe.
Myself, Vineet Kansal. I am the Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh.
So today you are participating in the international computing seminar. How do you feel about it? And what's your message to the student?
So it's a wonderful conference, as I understand. A lot of papers have been submitted. More than 800 papers have been submitted, and I believe there is a 25% paper which have been shortlisted for projections and for presentations. It's a good conference, and the important good thing which I liked about it is the innovative ideas which have been presented yesterday. And I think this is something very, very unique, and as a Startup India we are looking for, and if we are going to introduce this thing into the conference, it's a very good initiative.
I am Dr. Prabhat Kumar, Associate Professor, Computer Science and Engineering, NIT Patna.
Today you are participating in the as a guest speaker or guest of honor.
Yes.
The
International conference.
international conference. How do you feel about it, and what is your message to the common student and the faculty?
Actually, we are organizing this conference in association with Shahid Sukhdev Singh College and University of Valladolid in Spain. And together it's the first joint organization, and it has been very fruitful to us. We have received 800 papers accepted to 40, and even the startup which was done yesterday, we got quite a good response with 30 coming, and out of them 20 have been given the seed money. So it's a very successful event, and these kind of joint collaborations are very essential for the young generations, young researchers. So we are very happy with this joint collaboration.
Keep watching A1 News TV for more such news updates.
ताज़ा तरीन खबरों को जानने के लिए अभी टाइप करें A1 न्यूज़ टीवी। नीचे दिए गए सब्सक्राइब बटन को दबाएं और नोटिफिकेशन के लिए दिए गए बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें। हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट करें।